Did Apple just secretly delete some of your favorite apps from your Apple TV? The short answer is yes. If you turn on your TV right now, you're going to notice some massive changes. Apple just dropped the brand new tvOS 26.4 update, and it is causing a huge stir online. This is not just a regular boring software patch. This update completely changes how you watch TV. It fixes some of the most frustrating bugs we have ever seen. It also secretly hints at a brand new Apple TV device coming very soon. You need to know exactly what this update does before you hit that install button. Let us dive deep into the crazy new world of tvOS 26.4. First, we have to talk about the elephant in the room. Go look at your home screen and look inside the Apple folder. Two iconic apps have completely vanished into thin air. The classic iTunes Movies app is gone. The iTunes TV Shows app is also completely dead. Apple has permanently deleted them. For a few months, they were basically just empty shells. If you click them, a pop-up told you to go away and use the main Apple TV app. Now, Apple has pulled the plug forever. But here is the critical part you must know right now. The old iTunes wishlist feature is officially dead too. Apple wants you to use the new watch list inside the main TV app. However, they do not work the exact same way. If you have years of movies saved on your old wish list, you are in danger of losing that data. You absolutely must move those saved items over to your new watch list right now. Do this before you let your Apple TV install the 26.4 update. It is the only safe way to make sure everything transfers correctly. Once you survive the app deletion, you get to enjoy some incredible new features. The best one completely changes how you read the screen. This update brings a massive, long, overdue upgrade to subtitles. Open the Apple TV app and play any movie. Pull up the subtitle menu. You're going to see a brand new section called Styles. This is a total game changer. Click the arrow to see the new visual presets. You have classic text, large text, and outline text. Best of all, you have a brand new transparent background option. This transparent option is instantly going viral online. It stops the big black subtitle box from blocking the beautiful movie scenes. Any streaming app that uses the default Apple Video Player gets this automatically. Apps with custom players like Netflix might not show it yet. But wait, it gets even better. At the bottom of the screen, there's a Manage Styles button. Clicking this takes you to a secret accessibility menu. Here you become the boss. You can completely build your own custom subtitle look. You can change the exact font type. You can change the size and the text color. You can even adjust the background opacity and text edge highlights. You get a live preview right on the screen. It guarantees that everyone can read the dialogue perfectly without ruining the cinematic view. Apple did not just fix the video. They completely overhauled the audio experience, too. If you use external speakers, you're going to love this. There's a brand new audio setting hiding in your menus. Go to Video and Audio in your main settings. Look for the audio format section under HDMI output. You will spot a brand new continuous audio connection feature. This is specifically built for people using smart speakers like Sonos or advanced surround sound receivers. Apple is now using a special Dolby MAT connection. This sounds highly technical, but it does something amazing for your living room. It creates a perfectly seamless transition between different audio formats. Have you been dealing with random audio drops? Does your sound system pop or glitch when switching between different shows? This new feature fixes all of that instantly. Even if you have an older receiver that displays Atmos, the original audio will play exactly as it should. It ensures the audio plays without confusing your receiver. Turn this on immediately and enjoy flawless sound. The update also throws a massive bonus to sports fans. If you live in the United States and love Formula One racing, your life just got so much easier. Apple has deeply integrated Formula One right into the core Apple TV app. You do not need to bounce around between confusing third-party apps anymore. Every live race and on-demand F1 event lives in one single place. Now you can even pick up your remote and ask Siri for specific racing stats and session times. It is incredibly fast and smooth. But Apple is not stopping at your living room. They want to take over your car. Brilliant software developers started digging through the raw code of tvOS 26.4. They found something amazing hidden deeply inside. The code explicitly mentions video support for Apple CarPlay. This means the Apple TV app is being built to work directly on your car dashboard. The vision is very clear. When you're parked safely and charging your car, you can watch your favorite Apple TV shows on the main display. Tesla owners have enjoyed this kind of feature for years now. Apple is finally catching up. It is not fully activated today because car makers have to update their side too. But the digital foundation is officially laid inside this exact update. This is a huge clue about the future of Apple entertainment. If you have been screaming at your TV lately, this update is your absolute savior. The beta version of this software was a total nightmare for many users. People reported horrible bugs with top apps like Netflix, Prime Video, Disney Plus, and Paramount Plus. Shows were freezing constantly. The buffering wheel of death was everywhere. Sometimes the entire screen would go pitch black for no reason at all. When a video did finally play, the resolution was incredibly blurry and ugly. I am thrilled to report that the official release of tvOS 26.4 completely destroys those bugs. The official public release is incredibly stable. Your favorite shows will run flawlessly again. When you open the app, it feels much faster. In fact, they change how you browse for movies. Auto-playing video trailers are everywhere now. In the past, only the very top banner played a video. Now, as you scroll down through the Home tab, trailers automatically play after a brief pause. It makes the entire interface feel alive and energetic. You can instantly see what a new season is about without ever clicking a single button. That leads us to the most controversial new feature of all. It is called Genius Browse. It sits right on your main Home tab. This is an extremely smart recommendation tool. It uses clever categories to suggest movies based on your exact mood or vibe. If you want a tense psychological thriller or a silly upbeat workplace comedy, Genius Browse finds it for you instantly. It digs through major services like Amazon Prime, Max, and Disney Plus to find hidden gems. It is absolutely brilliant, but there is massive drama behind the scenes. Netflix is completely blocked from Genius Browse. This is because Apple and Netflix are basically at war over subscriptions. Netflix refuses to share its data. Genius Browse cannot see anything inside the Netflix catalog. It is a huge bummer for Netflix fans. Also, keep in mind this feature is rolling out very slowly. It is live in the US right now, but it might take a few weeks to hit the UK or Canada. Now, we have to talk about the giant secret everyone is ignoring. Look at what is happening in actual physical Apple stores right now. It is incredibly suspicious. Physical inventory for the Apple TV 4K, the big HomePod, and the HomePod Mini is dangerously low. Many retail stores are completely sold out. In the tech world, this is a massive red flag. When Apple lets a major product run out of stock like this, it means a new version is coming immediately. The current Apple TV 4K dropped back in late 2022. It has been almost 4 years. That is ancient history for gadgets. Tech experts are convinced Apple is gearing up to launch a totally redesigned Apple TV. This new box will supposedly feature a crazy new processor specifically built for Apple Intelligence and advanced AI. It will make Siri lightning fast and much smarter. The timing is perfect. The Apple TV turns 19 years old right now. Next year is its massive 20th anniversary. We might see a huge hardware announcement very soon. We already know Apple's WWDC event happens on June 8th. That is exactly when we will see the future with tvOS 27. Until then, tvOS 26.4 is the absolute king. It is a massive upgrade, but it is not completely perfect yet. Die-hard home theater fans are still furious about one missing feature. Apple still refuses to give us true audio pass-through. This feature would let the raw audio signal bypass the Apple TV processing. It would go straight to your high-end sound system. People have begged for this feature for a very long time. It is still missing. We might be waiting until tvOS 26.5 or Eve, and tvOS 27 for that dream to finally come true. Regardless of that one missing piece, you still must update your Apple TV today. Even if you hate F1 racing and do not care about subtitles at all, you have to do it for your own safety. This update contains critical CVE entries. These are essentially digital padlocks. They fix tiny invisible security holes in your software. Hackers constantly look for these holes to break into your home Wi-Fi network. Apple packed a ton of these vital security patches directly into the 26.4 code. Go to your settings, click Software Update, and make sure it says tvOS 26.4. Your exact build number might be slightly different depending on when you download it. Apple pushes tiny invisible updates to keep things stable across all 4K models. Do not panic about the build numbers. Just get the update installed to lock down your personal data and protect your privacy. In my honest opinion, the Apple TV 4K still absolutely destroys every other streaming stick on the planet. Cheap streaming sticks cannot even compete with this level of speed and privacy. The tvOS 26.4 update proves that Apple still cares deeply about the living room experience. Cleaning out those dead, confusing iTunes apps was a massive breath of fresh air. The new Dolby MAT continuous audio is a total game changer for a good soundbar setup. Yes, the lack of true audio pass-through is incredibly frustrating for audio nerds, but the overall ecosystem is simply unmatched. It has zero annoying ads on your home screen. The interface is butter smooth, and it actually respects your privacy. If you're still using a laggy smart TV interface, you're doing it wrong. This product is an absolute 10 out of 10. If you like the video, subscribe, share the video, and hit the bell icon.